Greetings. Hi, I'm Daniel DiStasio, and I'm your instructor for this Introduction to Literature course. And every week around Wednesday or Thursday midweek, I try to just post a quick video of myself. No, it's not vanity. I like to show that I'm a real person, and I've been teaching online classes for many years. And I always find that the one thing that's missing sometimes is that personal touch. So I use these videos to reflect on what we're doing this week, look ahead to what's coming, and just share some personal information and personal insight into our course and perhaps literature in general. It's been a great start of the week. I am so excited by the enthusiasm that I see in the discussions where people are just excited about this course, excited about reading literature. Hooray! I dearly love literature and writing, and it has been the mainstay for me for many decades since I was a child. And I read several of the posts of folks who have written as a child, and that is kind of my story too. I began writing stories and newspaper articles and things for my city that I built in my attic with numerous inhabitants, mostly teddy bears. So this week we have the chance to look and analyze four stories or poems, actually two stories and poems actually. The Everyday Use by Alice Walker, and White Trash, and the Sestina. So just a few words about what we look for, even though it's kind of a first dive in and it's a free write in the journal. But it asks about theme, it asks about connection, it asks that you use evidence from the source to support your point of view. And I think, all of those things are possible. What rises it to the mastery level or to earn all of the points, and that is the detail that you put into it. So, be sure to describe and to give enough exploration of your analysis so that your thoughts and ideas are clear. And that's why we write. We write to communicate and to be clear. So I look forward to reading your journals next week. It's a wonderful look at character and some great stories. A&P by Steinbeck is just one of my favorites of all time, and I'll be really excited to talk about that with you. And there's some other really engaging and surprising stories to look at. So I want to encourage you to contact me if you have any questions, if you are concerned, and just two kind of housekeeping notes. One, if you've heard this video and you haven't submitted anything yet this week, lack of submission in week one of a graded assignment at SNU results in your being removed from the class. That isn't going to happen because I can see everybody just jumping in and being wildly excited. Two, along the path of this course, if at any time you submit something and you forget, it doesn't quite make it, you got to really, you omit some of the vital information. If you do that, you can contact and ask if you can resubmit, and you can resubmit for a revised grade, because we don't always learn at the same pace and in the same way, and the fact that you may have forgot or made a mistake doesn't mean that you're not learning. By doing it again and getting a better grade perhaps is part of the process of learning. So keep reading, keep writing, stay in touch. Looking forward to all that we bring in our discussions and for what's happening here and next week. Take care.